Hello guys, I would like to share you this. I used to buy a lot of small pieces tool set, and what I call this, I decided to go with 270 Husky set. I got it on sale. I love sale. I got this for $90 pre-delivery, but when I checked the Husky website, it's only $80 with pre-delivery. So you be the judge. I'll show you. But then why I went here is because of the case and everything is already inside, instead of buying small pieces and they're like everywhere. So this is the Husky 270 pieces, lifetime warranty. We will show you what's inside. It doesn't feel that heavy. Alright, here's the open. We will go with the quarter purse. There you go. There's some security bits right here on the bottom, and this right here is the standard. The metric is all the way to 14, so just keep in mind this one is all the way to 1/2 9/16. All right, and we will show you the 3/8. This is the 3/8. The biggest deep socket is 11/16. There's adapter here, standard, metric and standard. The biggest socket is only 19. The smallest is 6 quarter and 11/16. This one is, it sounds okay. I guess you can turn it. You can see there's movement here, but then this is a cheap product, so if you're doing DIYs, then this is good for you. If you're a mechanic or something, then this is not really the heaviest duty you can buy. But like me, it will work fine. There's another adapter. I'll show you the 1/2. This is the 1/2. I believe this is 12-point contact or 6. This is 15. The smallest is 15 all the way to 19. And then the standard is 9/16 all the way to 7/8. This is the 1/2. It has adapter. I wish the 1/2 came with all the way to 24, but I think that's hard to find. But this will work fine, or at least 21 for your tire lug nut. But it's okay. Thank you guys for watching.